Okay, so did you get ready for the winter storm that is coming? Because I did. I stocked up and I have ice cream batter in my fridge because we all need the essentials. We need ice cream when it's -5 degrees. At least I do. I'm just getting ready for the storm. I'm just joking, but I really did make ice cream in this weather. The real reason I made the ice cream was because I am tired of looking at the back of my ice cream cartons at the store and seeing this long of a list and who knows what's in it. I'm sick of not understanding any of the ingredients in it, so I thought, I love making things at homemade, so why not try to make my own? If they can make it, I can try to make it. Over the weekend, my 7-year-old and I made mint chocolate chip ice cream batter, as you can see. And I'm gonna show you in my KitchenAid attachment how to set it up. So this is the drive assembly, and you just put it right over that. And then it keeps falling, so just kind of click it in. Make sure it fits good. And then the dasher is this part. And you just slide that, lock that up like that. It kind of just sits there. It's not really locked in, but once it starts churning, it'll go. And then you put your setting on stir, and you pour your batter into the churner. Slowly. And you just do that for about 20 to 30 minutes. So about 5 minutes in, I'm going to turn it up to 2. You can see, always make your ice cream batter 24 hours before you start this, and freeze this container that it came with 24 hours before you make ice cream. Okay, so if you don't have one of these thin spatulas, you better get one because they're perfect for this. Look how thick that is. We have 4 minutes on the timer left. And at the 2-minute mark, we're gonna add our toppings, whatever you guys want to mix into the ice cream. So we made mint chocolate chip ice cream today. All right. So now you shut it off, take that out, unclick it. Look at that. And we use natural food coloring for the green. I like to use the Watkins natural coloring. We had to use, I think, blue and yellow. Okay, so now take your spatula and pour it into plastic container, freezer safe container. It is very cold, so don't burn your hands. Look at that. That looks so good. Make sure you scrape all of it. Oh, that's my timer. Okay. And then you freeze it for about 4 to 6 hours.
4 to 6? I've been 143 right.
So you freeze it for about 4 to 6 hours, and then you have homemade mint chocolate chip ice cream. I will post the recipe on the comments, and let me know if you tried it. So that recipe that I'm going to post on the comments is right here, mint chocolate chip ice cream, and it smells amazing. I did want to tell you that this makes this container right here is a half-gallon container. So that recipe that I showed you makes 1 quart of homemade ice cream. So it was half-gallon container, makes 1 quart. This is a plastic container that is freezer safe, so make sure you use that. I did reuse this. I got this at an ice cream shop and where they make homemade ice cream, so I thought I would just save it in case I ever make homemade ice cream. And yes, today is -5 degrees out where I live and a winter storm is coming, and I'm sure some of you are experiencing that too outside. It's January, so I know it's kind of funny to make homemade ice cream in -5 degree weather, but I love ice cream and I'm all out of ice cream and I don't feel like going anywhere to get the ice cream, so I thought I'd make my own. So I hope you make your own too. I will post the recipe that I have down below in the comments, so you let me know if you make it. And I'm always looking for more ways to make things homemade, and I hope that you subscribe if you're interested in that. And my name is Allie with Dilly Dally with Allie, and I'll see you next time. Bye.